Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking essential choices so development is focused. Pick Unity versus Unreal now and install the VR SDKs. This decides input, rendering, and build pipeline. Once done, configure a fresh project template and set your target headset and frame rate goals. 72 to 120 Hz is common. Make sure to enable single pass or multi-view rendering early for performance. You'll also establish code organization and a simple scene with a VR camera rig. This immediate scaffolding prevents rework later. You now build the game's core systems. Start with locomotion, implement teleport and one smooth option, then test for motion sickness, adjust acceleration and damping. Next, author interaction, hand presence, precise grab mechanics, UI raycasting, and haptics for feedback. Use physics for believable object behavior. Once interactions are solid, optimize rendering and CPU. Set occlusion culling, bake static lighting. Enable GPU instancing and LODs, and profile frequently so your 90% frame stability target remains attainable. You finalize by polishing gameplay, onboarding, and release packaging. Run focused playtests and collect telemetry for 1-2 core flows. Iterate on difficulty and comfort settings, and add control remaps for accessibility. Prepare builds per platform rules, sign packages, and test installation on each target headset. Once packaging passes, submit to stores and plan post-launch patches. If things go wrong, capture a profiler frame on device to find CPU/GPU hotspots. This single diagnostic will reveal whether code, assets, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.